Hey, we got a boat car. I know I didn't do this car. So it's a 4-cylinder, 1200cc. 1200cc. What is that? 80 cubic inches, right? Or 74 cubic inches. 43 horsepower. It's kind of like so it's a Triumph Herald motor, but that's about like the same as a 1200cc VW motor. Lucas 12-volt positive ground. Built in Germany from '61. I remember seeing these on TV. I never saw one in real life. Sold for $2,900. That's a lot, man. Yeah, when a new Corvette was $3,400. I take a Corvette. The EPA put them out of business. There you go. 3,000 were imported in North America. Now, question is, you got a rust hole that's a sink. So a top speed of 7 miles per hour in the water and 70 on land, thus becoming the 770 model. That makes sense.
It's like a surfboard on wheels.
Yeah, he's selling it.
It's like a surfboard on wheels.
So if you're chasing you down the road, you just hit the water, man. You're gone. So I guess that lever back there is for the on the floor is for the propeller or something, maybe. I don't know. It's 4-speed. Put a turbo in it, man. Nitrous. Oh shit, imagine that. Imagine this thing broke down in the middle of the water. So now, if you had a hard top with a periscope, you'd really be talking. Right? So you got your air cooled, no wake, please. I remember my old boss, man, he had I don't know what the hell kind of boat he had, a 53 boat, 53 foot, big monster, man. He's pulling it out, it says no wake, he just nails it right. And people are pissed off at him, he's like, you know, the boats are all freaking floating around. This is the guy I work for, man. And you know, you're telling him, hey, slow down. You know what he does? He tells him, get a bigger boat. He yells down to him. And just nails it. I thought that was funny. The crazy people like that. Anyway. The Aqua. Yeah, there you go. EPA killed this, man. The exhaust comes out nice and high. I guess the water line is probably about, I don't know where it is. Might be just above where the door is too. I don't know. Because I would think that door's got to seal up really good, man. I know that. I guess you don't have to worry about getting water in the differential or transmission. I'm sure that's whatever breathers are on it are up there higher. Pretty wild, man. Oh, there's a horn. You guys got a horn up there because the engine's in the back. You got the trunk up front. You got the horn up there because the horn will be underwater. Trying to beep at somebody and the horn's underwater ain't gonna work, man. It's pretty wild, man.